All right, so this is less of a feature for Mattermost, more of a feature for our design tool that I wanted to share because it's a pretty exciting new feature in Figma, our design tool, called variants. And often we have the need with a lot of our design components to have different states or different variants of the component. So, for example, buttons have different hover states, different sizes. So what we had, what it means is previously we had so many different variants of a single component. And when we went to use those in an instance uh, in our design files, we would have to go through this long traverse tree of components to get to the right state. But now with variants, what Figma has done is combine all of those different variants we saw here into one single component when you're actually using it as an instance in your design. So now we have a panel on the side here, which gives us the ability to do basically change the properties of the component in really easy menu system. So I can change from the small to the medium. I can change from primary to secondary. I can add the hover state or the focus state or the disabled state. So it gives us a lot of control with the way we are building our components, assuming we build them correctly in our design files to really simulate kind of how they might be built in code. So it's really exciting for us. Just another example here of a message component. We can have, you can also use toggles now you can use a true, false, or on off variable for your properties. So we can turn things on and off easily enough right within the same exact component. We're not swapping components. It's the same component in Figma, and it gives us just a ton of control and makes it a lot easier in our use cases for our design files. So I wanted to share that.